I will explain how to start a gaming channel in 2024 and gain views, subscribers and loads of money quickly. It takes less work than you think. I will also go through some super valuable tips on how you can stop your videos from getting 0 views. These are gaming channels on YouTube that are blowing up. Royalty Gaming, 1.5 million views a day, $1,500 a day. Typical Gamer, around 2 million views a day, $2,000 per day. Mr. Beast Gaming, around 5 million views a day, $5,000 per day. It is possible to make money here on YouTube. YouTube will continue to keep growing. I am not going to give you some boring tips like some other YouTubers. You know that I focus on quality on this channel. This will be my most important and valuable video so far. This is Mahad from Tube Hustle. Let's make it to the top together. If you failed to plan, you plan to fail. Welcome to how to start a gaming channel. YouTube is not just a video website. It is actually the second most visited website on the internet. How can you get views and subscribers on YouTube? YouTube is a giant search engine. If you go onto YouTube and search how to find diamonds in Minecraft, then you will be sure to find videos on this. You can make tutorial videos, reviews, tips and tricks, or even clips of you absolutely destroying everyone with headshots in Counter-Strike, or your jaw-droppingly fantastic goals in FIFA. There is no need to delay starting your gaming channel today. What is the first step though? A wise man once said, look before you leap. First off, you have to choose a game. Which games do you play the most? Write them all out onto a sheet of paper. Which of them are actually popular? If you play Minecraft, how many people play Minecraft? Is it even a popular game? Well, it is. Search the game that you want to play on Google. You can find the number of monthly players. A tip from me, do not, I repeat, do not waste your time with a game that nobody plays. It will make it harder for you to stand out. Also, avoid something too competitive, like Minecraft Let's Plays. Maybe something with less of an audience. Get really good at it. Or you could do a specific part of Minecraft. Okay, that is another tip here. Take something popular and put a spin on it. Maybe you are primarily a Minecraft hardcore player, or a serious farmer, redstone magician, or a PvP master. This makes you special. Viewers will remember you. If your videos are just Bob's Let's Play Minecraft episode 22, no one is going to watch that. Or maybe your grandma, or your 3 subscribers, one of them who is called Jeff.
Yo, how's it going?
I am going to tell you something which will blow your mind. But first, something I need to say. My videos help you learn how to get more views, subscribers, and grow your income and influence on YouTube to get a life of financial independence and happiness. This is Tube Hustle. If this video is helping you even a little bit, can I just ask you to take a second and click that red button down there, the subscribe button. It would only take you a second. Okay, have you done it? I'll just give you a second. Are you done? Are you done? Are you subscribed? Are you subscribed? Okay, thank you. Let's carry on with the video. I will give you a special tip that is a mind blower. Most views come from suggested or recommended. Make your title something which people will not search for but will get recommended. Something sensational and unique. Do some videos based on search. Use vidIQ for that. That is a tool. I will explain that in another video actually. Okay, now the next tip. Focus. Choose only one game. When you get bigger, maybe try another one. But in the beginning, just one. Cover many different angles and aspects of the game. If you choose to do 2 games, then do 2 that are quite similar. So if you did Minecraft, then find another survival or building game. If your videos are Call of Duty and then you start playing FIFA all of a sudden, then people will be confused. You might even lose half of your subscribers. Okay, another mind-blowing fact. Incoming. Find another channel that is like yours and sort by popular. Find a video that has over 100,000 views and then do similar content. It is not stealing, it's just being inspired. The great Pablo Picasso once said, good artists borrow, great artists steal. People like it, then that means it works. The concept is working, it is viable. Okay, now upload frequency. How often should you upload? There is no magic number, but you should upload at least 2 videos a week. Do more if you can. Each video has a chance to be picked up by the YouTube algorithm and get your channel discovered. Short videos, 4 to 5 minutes are good, as long as you keep the quality up. People used to like long videos that are like 8-9 minutes long, but now I recommend doing a lot of short videos that are like 4 to 5 minutes long. People still like short videos. Find the communities. Search your game on Reddit. Find Discord servers, comment sections of other big YouTubers. anything you can. All of these communities will help you. Speak to those people on there. That will help you identify what kind of videos people are interested in and news on the game that you are playing. This will increase your knowledge of your niche. You might find out ways that people are playing the game which is different. They are doing challenges or some other strange stuff. Maybe you can come up with a new way to play the game, something which no one has done before. This could be your way to actually blow up. So make sure you follow these tips in this video if you want to actually learn how to make money from your videos after you blow up and get views. Then watch this video right here that I made for you.